So the navigation unit on the Mercedes, quite straightforward. Press the on off button to activate the unit. Most of it is touchscreen, so again we can use this little home button here to take us back to the main menus and just slide it across. Navigation, phone, radio, FM and DAB, media connection, and then your info button at the side of it. Then we'll give you driving options, so it does explain what you're doing, and you simply just click the buttons to go through the various options. And then again, you can either click the home button there or that button just on the front to go through your home options. Nav, press the nav button, which is just located just there. Telephone, once you've paid your telephone, just click that button there. And then radio is just on that side of it. The stop start function is just there, and to change the gears you simply use the levers here. So again, with your foot on the brake, you could go into drive, go up to neutral, or into reverse. In the reverse side of it, you'll see then it displays picture on your unit there. To come out of it, to go into park, simply press the button there. And again, to get you back to the option, you simply just press the home button here. To turn off the unit, press the button and turn the unit off, and that turns off. Your aircon, press the unit on here, and then just decide which button you want to either cool it or heat it with. Hazard lights are there, and then you've got your direction. That is the new control unit for the Mercedes Burstner Lazeo M690G. It's also applicable on the M660. Hope you find it useful. Please give us your feedback.